Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Amy Universe here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my dry pedicures. My first step is going to be to use acetone to remove all of the old polish. Before I had some regular polish on, and it's been on there for a really long time. Guys, please don't judge my feet. They're pretty crusty when I got into this. I really needed to get my feet done for an event that I had going on that day, and I had a limited amount of time, so I just quickly went in and started to do a dry pedicure. And then when I got in the shower, I kind of finished up my pedicure. I scrubbed my feet, I added lotion and oil, and they were good to go. So in this step, I'm actually just pushing back my cuticle, getting all of that dead skin off of my nail bed. As you can see, there was a lot of dead skin. It was, your girl was kind of gross, I wasn't really giving my feet as much attention as they needed. So I went ahead and cleaned under the nail as well to make sure that there's no dirt or debris underneath my nails. And then I went in and kind of finished up with a file. I noticed that if you can get a really crisp straight line, the gel polish will look almost as if it's acrylic. So definitely you can take your time with filing. I noticed, of course, for everyone it's different, like the shape that you want for your feet and what's correct. I mean, technically you want to have rounded nails, but because I'm looking for that acrylic kind of toenail look, I definitely went in and straightened the sides to get it as close to that look as I wanted to get it. Definitely for me, it wasn't a problem. It's exactly what I was looking for. And then once we're done filing, you want to go in and remove the shine from the surface of the nail. Once again, everybody does their pedicure slightly different. I like to remove the shine, and then once I'm done removing the shine, I'll go in and change the bit and then remove all of the extra cuticle that might still be stuck onto the nail bed. I also, and you're gonna see I have a bit of a hangnail, so I go in and I take that flame bit and I go in and I remove all of that nail that's just there. I feel like removing hangnails is so satisfying for me. It definitely, it just feels so good, and it makes the manicure, not the manicure, but the pedicure look so much cleaner when you do. And then of course, if you have a lot of dust on your toes, you can go ahead and wipe off all of that excess dust and go right back in with your flame bit and remove any spots that you went ahead and left behind. And then I'm just going to do the same on the next foot. And then this is just a me thing. I realize I have kind of hairy toes, and I really just don't want them to be there, especially since I really like to wear flip-flops, sandals, and heels during the summer. I really just think that it just makes the pedicure look that much better, so just go ahead and remove them. So I went ahead and did that. You don't have to do it, but for me, it was a must. And then I actually prime and dehydrate my toenails. I dehydrate first, then I prime. I have a two-step kit, and that's what I like to do. I feel like my gel polish and my acrylics and my builder gel stay on a lot better when I do it that way. And then you can just go in with your base gel. I did one layer of a base gel and 2 layers of my polish. I'm using a Go Eye polish, and these are jelly kind of syrupy polishes. They're pretty, I guess you can say kind of see-through, but I like it because it kind of matches my skin tone really well, and it's gonna go great with the look that I'm trying to go for at the end of this video. So the look that I'm kind of going for is a white French tip. I'm going to kind of bedazzle my big toe and my, I guess, my index toe. I'm not really sure what that's called, but yeah, that second toe you have there right next to your big toe, I'm gonna go ahead and just bedazzle it, so I skip that toe completely when doing the French. And then just remember, guys, like, it's your feet, you know, nobody's gonna look at it with a magnifying glass, so it doesn't have to actually be perfect. I mean, you guys are seeing it. I'm not really worrying about perfection. I was really just worrying about time. I had about 45 minutes to be done with this and get dressed and get going. Like I said, I had an event that I needed to be at the time that I did this pedicure, so it was extremely rushed, very last moment, but I had decided that I wanted to wear open toe shoes, and you know, I was not going to be walking around with the way my feet looked before this. And I definitely struggled. The amount of time, the rushing, I definitely didn't get like super crisp lines, but like I said, it doesn't really matter. I mean, you guys are the only ones that are going to really know that my lines weren't perfect. And like I said, nobody looked at it with a magnifying glass. On the day of my event, it was actually graduation. Everybody loved my toes. I got compliments on the toes. To be honest, they're still there. And I'm still getting compliments on my toes, and I think it's been about 2 weeks now. So I think that, you know, just do your best and it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. Don't worry about being perfect. It's gonna be good. Just try your best. And then in no certain specific pattern, I just went ahead and put my crystals down. I really didn't have the time to like be like specific to a color, so I just picked out a bunch of random crystals, and I top coated them twice to make sure that they stayed in place, and I did use crystal gel to keep them in place, and then I cured it for about 2 minutes. And then, like, usually, you know, you always struggle doing your own pedicures. I think that's normal. But I feel like having to do a pedicure on camera, it's actually kind of not a struggle, but definitely a challenge. It was really different. For the entire video, I had my propped up on a step stool ladder, and that's how I did it. It was a very interesting experience for sure. And hopefully I'll make more videos like this. If you like this pedicure video and you'd like to see more dry pedicure videos, definitely let me know in the future. And we're getting close to the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I will be uploading every Thursday and every Friday. Fridays will be probably a nail video, and Thursdays maybe a press on nail video to continue that series. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my content, please feel free to subscribe and follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times? For you, I'd give it one more try. Look at him, I did good, didn't I? Look pretty dang good. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!